you meet me. I am Roshni Rai.
I am Jaya.
Today we are going to speak wonderful topic that's name is Indian culture versus Western culture. But before starting, I want to say something about the culture. What is a culture? Culture is the characteristics and knowledge of people. It's a way of life defined by everything like that language, dance, music, arts, foods, and etc. That's called a culture. There are two types of culture: Indian culture and Western culture. And I am a favor of Western culture and ma'am is a favor of Indian culture. So ma'am, are you ready for telling a topic?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, let's start.
Okay. Hello everyone. Good evening to all of you. Meet me. I am Jaya, and today I want to tell about one interesting topic that name is Indian culture. Do you know, guys, what is Indian culture? Which culture flow in Indian? It is called Indian culture. Indian culture is the most important in our life because all Indian people flow the Indian culture. There are many advantages of Indian culture, like food, dress, clothes, etc. And now I want to tell about one by one. I will explain. First of all, I want to tell about dress. Indian dress is the most important in our life because you know that Indian people wear the sari, dhoti, kurta, pajama, this type of dress, and this type of dress very good dress because we do any good work then we wear the sari, dhoti, and this type of dress. And if we are wear the sari, then we look like very pretty. And by the help of sari, we can respect our elders. So Indian dress is a very good dress. Let's talk about the food. Indian food is too much better than the Western food because Indian people grow the vegetables, crops, and we know that Indian people depend only the agriculture. And we know that agriculture is a backbone of our country. And before some time, COVID-19 was going on at that time. Western people only suffered from the COVID, but Indian people suffered from less COVID. So it's a very good for our health, and we know that health is wealth. Let's talk about the joint family. Indian people live in the joint family, and we know that the joint family is the most important in our life because if any problem come, then by the help of joint family we can solve each other like mentally and physically. And we know that unity is the strength. So joint family is also most important in our life. Let's talk about the arranged marriage. Villages, Indian people do the arranged marriage, and we know that arranged marriage is most important in our life because by the help of arranged marriage we can choose our life partner. So it is also good. Let's talk about the dance. Indian dance famous in whole over the world, and there are many Indian dance like Jhumar, Kathak, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, etc. So Indian dance is also most important in our life. There are many disadvantages of Indian culture like superstition, freedoms, child marriage, harassments, etc. I will explain about this point. First of all, I want to say about superstition. There are many superstition present in Indian people, and Indian people believe the superstition. And if any people go to outside area, then if any cat is crossing in the road, then they think that it is a monument and they return towards home. But it's not good. Let's talk about the freedom. Indian people don't allow girls to freedom because if any daughter-in-law come in a house, then parents don't allow to wear the all types of dress, don't allow to go to outside area for the surrounding. Yes, for the surrounding. So it's not good for the society. Let's talk about the so lastly I want to thank that person. And we should follow our Indian culture because we like the Indian culture. Thank you.
Wow, ma'am, you spoke fantastic, and your topic is also mind blowing. And now it's my turn. My topic is the Western culture. First of all, I want to say about what is Western culture. The culture which is followed by Western peoples, that is called Western cultures. And I know that some of the countries name which come in a Western sides area like USA, UK, France, Japan, Germany, and Switzerland, and Italy. And so many countries come in a Western sides area. And in Western sides area, I like one thing that they love their culture as well as they follow their cultures, and it is a good for their cultures. And Now I'm going to speak. Now I'm going to speak the which things include in Western cultures like dance, painting, food, dresses, love, marriage, and etc. One by one, I will explain. First is dance. Dance is the most important in our life because we know that by the help of dance we can live in a fit, and we know that Western dance is famous in everywhere like hip hop, break dance, and tap dance, and so many types of dance present. And in hip hop dance depend on hip hop music, and this is very straight dancing style and balance your body on your hand and head. And next is a break dance. We know that break dance famous by Michael Jackson, and Michael Jackson is a very famous dancer in our Western cultures. And next is ballet dance. Ballet dance is organized in Italy on 15th century, and is this dance performed on classical music. And so these types of dance is also famous in our Indian cultures. So these types of dance is the most important for us, and we should also do these types of dance. And my next point is painting. If we talk about the painting, then there are lots of paintings present in Western cultures like the Mona Lisa, the Les Mis, the Night Watch, and the Swing. And there are so many types of paintings present. And you know that nowadays painting is also part of life. And nowadays by painting we can decorate our home, and we can also earn money by the help of painting. And my next point is a food. We know that in Western food is a very tasty as well as very healthy. That's why Western people looks young, and we know that nowadays all people eat Western foods because we know that Western food is too much tasty. And we know that in Western sides area they eat only simple foods. They don't include so many spices. That's why Western food is tasty. And my next point is clothes. If we talk about the clothes, then I think Western culture is good because in Western culture there are so many types of clothes present like jeans, top, blazer, and these types of dresses present. It's a very good for party side in party because we know that nowadays every people wear these types of dresses in a party, and during working we also wear Western dresses because it's too much comfortable for us. So according to me, Western dresses is very good for us. And my next point is love marriage. If we talk about marriage, then I think Western culture is good because they get love marriage, and love marriage is a very good for us because by the help of love marriage we can also get chance to choose our life partner. And in this marriage no more functions and rituals present. That's why they easily get, and if any couple don't comfortable their relationship, then they easily get divorced. So it is also good for us. And my last point is freedom. If we talk about the freedom, then I think Western culture is good. In Western sides area, male and female both gets equal freedom because that's why Western country is a developed country. But if we talk about India, then girls can't get freedom as comparison to a boy. So it is a bad thing of people. So we should. So I think Western culture is good. And at last I wanna say you whatever you like culture, you should follow these types of culture.